Welcome back, everyone. In the last video, we learned how to target all classes in a specific package using service.asterisk in the declaring type pattern. And now, what if payment service is not directly in com.gyan.derpun.service, but inside a subpackage, com.gyan.derpun.service.internal? Is it covered by our current point cut? Or not? Let's not assume. Let's test it live. Alright, let's create payment service inside the com.gyan.derpun.service.internal subpackage. Let's add a simple method called payment. Let's call payment method from the controller. Okay. First, inject payment service into the controller. Alright, controller is ready. Let's start the application. Let's hit the payment API. Now, look at the console logs. You can see that the aspect is not being triggered for this method. Only the controller log and the payment service log are appearing in the console. This means that service.asterisk does not cover classes inside subpackages. But what if we want to intercept all classes present in the service package and all of its subpackages? Alright, so the question is, how do we cover all subpackages under service? And the answer is simple. Look at the current expression. See the one dot between service and asterisk? That one dot is the limit. It says, look inside service. But stop there. Do not go deeper. Now, to cover all subpackages, we simply change that one dot to two dots. Alright, look at the screen carefully. See the updated point cut expression. See the two dots after service? That is the change. One extra dot. And this is what it tells Spring. Hey Spring, match any class that is directly in com.gyan.derpun.service, and any class that is in any package nested inside service, no matter how many levels deep you have to go. Spring will follow the package tree, as deep as it goes, and intercept every class it finds. Start the application. Let's hit the payment API. Now, look at the console. This time, the aspect is triggered for payment service as well. We changed service ** to service ****. And we confirmed payment service in the subpackage is now intercepted. But does order service and user service, which are directly in the service package, still get intercepted? Because double dot covers subpackages, but it should also still cover the current package itself. Let's hit the order API and confirm. And there it is. Look at the console. Aspect fired for order service as well. Service ** does not just cover subpackages. It covers the current package and all subpackages. Alright, now it is your turn. Test 2 more scenarios yourself. Scenario 1, more than one level of nesting, and Scenario 2, class in a completely different package. Try both and share in comments. And that brings us to the end of this video. Today we covered subpackage targeting in the declaring type pattern. If this video helped you, please like it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.